Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of September 17th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Don't forget to smile pretty for Fall Picture Day. Wednesday, September 29th is for kindergarten through 2nd grade and middle school. Thursday, September 30th is for 3rd grade through 5th grade and high school. These are pictures for our yearbook and uniforms must be worn. Family STEM Night is Wednesday, October 6th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I encourage all of our kindergarten through 12th grade families to join us for this super fun night. The South Florida Science Museum brings hands-on science experiences to our secondary campus. This is lots of fun for everyone. Admission is free, and we will sell pizza, soda, and chips as a fundraiser. Wednesday, October 13th is PSAT testing for students in 8th through 11th grade. Another fun family event is Atlantis Family Skateway. That will be on Thursday, October 14th from 6 o'clock p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Atlantis Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres, and admission is $7 cash per person. This includes admission and skates. This is a very popular fundraiser, tons of fun. Come join us. The next day is no school. Friday, October 15th, it's a teacher workday. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, PBMA families and students. Today, our featured teacher is a wonderful gentleman who teaches our subjects that are speech and leadership. And today, we're going to introduce you to Mr. Scott Albano. For those of you who are wondering, we did have our cheerleading tryouts yesterday. We had a great turnout, and it was a wonderful time for all. Thank you all, and keep on the lookout for new information coming up with regards to any testing or other events. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mr. Albano. I've been working at PBMA now for about 4 or 5 years. It's a great place to work. We have great teachers, great administrators that always have our back. Anything we need help with, they're just a call away, and they're always willing to help. So it's a fantastic place to work. The students here are great, and I teach grades 6 through 12. I teach computer science, I teach public speaking, I teach leadership, and I think that covers pretty much it. It's a lot of different things to teach, but it's a lot of fun.
Last week, the Town of Lantana Education Council generously donated tons of school supplies for both of our campuses. A big thank you to the Ed Council of Lantana. Let's check in with Safety Patrol.
Hi, I'm Maya. Hi, I'm Danica. Hi, I'm Tamisha. We are doing fundraisers and selling candy bars. Get your candy bars, they're only $1. We are raising money to go to St. Augustine. Please help us.
Ms. Colgan's science class conducted an experiment. The class watched a boiled egg get squeezed into a bottle due to the difference in air pressure. Let's take a look.
All right, let's see what happens when that flame goes in there. Okay, go, Isaiah, go. Yes, perfect. So this is looking good.
Yellow eggs stink, man.
It works. Yes, it works.
Ms. Mitchell's 6th grade Emerging Leaders class did a group project on social problems and what they can do to help. Here are some of their oral presentation reports and board presentations.
2 hours. This will help your immune system. And trespass. When people will trash places and people stop eating.
It's when someone cannot get a good enough chance as someone else.
Who, what is involved? Gas companies are involved with pollution in the air.
Miss Owen's kindergartners are raising tadpoles. Let's check them out. Okay, go ahead. Tell me all about them.
They hatch out of the eggs and they swim and they turn to frogs.
They do? And what do you want to tell us?
Tadpoles can turn to frogs and lick bugs and they grow arms and legs.
Yeah, they do. That is so exciting. You got a lot of them here.
They eat algae.
They eat algae? You know a lot about tadpoles. What do frogs eat?
Flies.
bugs.
Bugs, they eat bugs, that's right. They are so cool, they're getting bigger. They were smaller last week, right?
Yeah.
Miss Saunders' first graders are learning about why sharks are important. They created these adorable shark hats. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.